A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to Bainavas by Tata English Medium School. Children, this week we will continue our revision for the subject English. Yesterday we had done dictation words and choose the correct options. Today we will continue with filling the blanks and true or false. Children, the same I will give you in worksheet. You need to write it in your English notebook and you have to revise it again and again for your unit test 3. So now we will start with our blanks. So now here some blanks are given to us. We will again understand it. Okay, so come to first one. If I were a dash, I would fly. Now what will be the answer for it? Bird, B-I-R-D, bird. So you need to write over here B-I-R-D, bird. If I were a bird, I would fly. Next, the dash will be grow into a tree. Now, who will grow into a tree? Plant. So, you need to write over here in the space provided to you P-L-A-N-T, plant. Next, I often wish to be a dash. Now, what does the child wish, children? The child often wishes to be a kite. So, you need to write over here K-I-T-E, kite. Next, the little dog was dash the kite's long tail. So, who was holding the kite's long tail? Little dog. So, the answer over here is HOLDING, holding. So, you will write like this. The little dog was holding the kite's long tail, holding its answer. Next, the band was dashed and everyone was smiling. Now, why everyone was smiling at the fair, children? As the band was playing. So, the answer for it is PLAYING, playing. So, you will write over here like this. Next, merry-go-round was carrying lots of boys and girls on its dash animal. Now, as described in the poem, merry-go-round was carrying lots of boys and girls. On which kind of animals? On wooden animals. So, answer over here is WOODEN, wooden. Next, I could dash upon a breeze. Now, what can you do on a breeze as described in our poem? Ride, R-I-D-E, ride. So, you need to write over here R-I-D-E, ride. Next, if I were an apple, I would dash. So, if you are an apple, what you will do? You will fall. So, answer over here is F-A-L-L, fall. Next, the berry seed fell on the desk. Where did the berry seed fell, children? On the ground. So, answer will be G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Next, if I were a bee, I would dash. If you are a bee, what you would do? You will buzz. B-U-Z-Z, buzz. Okay, so like this, you need to write these blanks in your English notebook and you need to learn it. Now we will continue with our next exercise, and that is true or false. The statement which is true means correct, you need to write TRUE, true, and the statement which is false, incorrect, you need to write FALSE, false. So come, we will start with the first statement. The boy would have dropped down. Is this statement true or false, children? It is true. So you need to write over here TRUE, true. Next, caterpillar have tiny legs. Is this statement true? Yes. So again you need to write over here TRUE, true. Next, ants and spider do not crawl on the tree. So as described in the poem that ants and spider crawl on the tree, here do not crawl is given to us. So this statement is false, incorrect. So we need to write over here FALSE, false. Next, the child wishes to be a bird. Is this statement true? No, it's not. So we will write over here false. Next, he can ride upon the breeze. So children, is this statement true or false? It is true. So you will write over here TRUE, true. Next, Bobby looked for an open space. Now, what we will write over here, true or false? as we know that Bobby wanted to fly a kite. So he searched out for an open space. So this statement is true. So you will write over here true, true. Next, Sundri was ugly. Was Sundri ugly? No, Sundri was very beautiful. So this statement is false. So you need to write over here false. She flew up, up, up in the air. So it is true or false? It is true as the kite flew up, up, up in the air. So you need to write over here true, true. Next, the boy would had stay there. Is this a true statement or a false? It is false as the boy would had dropped down from the tree and would not stay over there. So it is incorrect statement. So you need to write over here false. The boy wants to grow on a tree. Is this true? Yes, it is true. So we will write over here true, true. So children, like this manner, you need to learn and write today's worksheet, filling the blanks and true or false in your English notebook. Tomorrow we will continue further with our revision part. Thank you. Stay blessed. Bye.